Hey YouTube, this is Trainboy54. I'm here to show you some things and ask you, well, just one thing in mind. Here, I've got the Trackmaster Crash and Repair Bash. It's pretty awesome. I just got in the mail, yesterday. And I'll get to unbox it later. Right after I showed you what came before the Crash and Repair Bash. The 3-in-1 track builder set, which came with Diesel. Well, here's a Ghost Diesel. Well, it's a customized Ghost Diesel train. I cut the packaging out of the box, painted it a light shade of gray, and used black paint for the Ghost face. It's kind of a little sloppy though. And here is Diesel. It's good to have you back, redesigned Diesel. I painted his front end, well, black, just the buffers and the front coupling. I didn't want to paint the back buffers because this is the Diesel I want to hold on to. Anyway, that's the Ghost Diesel. Anyway, on the back of this box, which I'm about to show you, it says featuring accessory pieces that can be built in a tunnel or be used in the track risers. The 3-in-1 track builder set offers multiple ways to play. Blah, 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 blah. Well, here are 3 pictures of the layout that I'm stumped with. It's either this layout, or that layout. Well, I've seen Leo Kim video unbox this playset with the Diesel versus Diesel video on YouTube. But I just suddenly can't seem to make up my mind. Which layout do you think I should try first? Layout 1, Layout 2, or Layout 3? You just need to leave a comment in the comment section below to find out. For the answer, actually. Well, that's just that. Which layout you prefer? It says over 25 pieces. I'll have to look that over after I unbox it. But right now, it's time to open up the Crash and Repair Bash. So, I'll get to unboxing it now, and I'll make it quick. Okay. Sorry about that. Here's a blue rock that came with the Crash and Repair Bash. It's kind of compared to the colors of the other rocks that came with these 3 other Crash and Repair engines. Thomas, Salty, and Diesel 10. So that's all 4 Crash and Repair trains I have. Thomas, Salty, Bash, and Diesel 10. Although, it's not really on yet, but... Wow! So this is what happens when Bash has been crashed. I like the detailing. So I'll just put some batteries in him, and I'll give him a little test run. So, yeah, I'll make it quick. Okay. Now let's give the Crash and Repair Bash a test run. Woo! Crash and Repair Bash pushing the boulder on the track. That's something you don't see every day on YouTube. Let's see if I can get another boulder to stop. Bash. No? That didn't stop him? The ghost diesel, or diesel, will stop him. Oh! It nearly worked. Nope, it did. Thanks, Diesel. Here's your ghost Diesel costume back. Okay. That was fun. So that's the complete Crash and Repair Engines collection I have. I'll see if I could fit it all in one box. It barely fits. I mean, they barely fit in one box. I'm gonna need a bigger box for the Crash and Repair trains. Well, anyway, that's well, almost my look of the Crash and Repair Bash, and, well, just need to see if there really are 25 pieces of the 3-in-1 track builder set, but you tell me which layout you prefer that I should build first. Layout 1, layout 2, or layout 3? Just leave in the comments below and tell me the answer of which layout I should set up first. So, thanks for watching, and well, stay tuned for my other videos of 2016. Bye for now.